The idea of refunds is an interesting one because ideally, nobody has to pay any additional tax when they lodge their return because they've paid enough during the year, nor should people be getting refunds because again, the right amount of tax should have been paid. So the whole concept of refunds or payable is because the amount of tax paid during the year isn't exactly the right amount of tax either way.
That is right. And of course, it depends how you're earning your income. So many of us rely on having tax withheld by an employer. That's maybe why you get a bit back because you've had too much withheld, as you've said. But depending on the industry you're working in, you may not be able to rely on that amount that's been withheld. And that's where you reconcile at the end, pay the extra amounts, and you're on your way. And you might also learn for next tax time what you yourself need to withhold and make provisions for. But you're right, you only get refunded if you've paid too much. And I'm sure people would prefer to have the money in their hot little hands during the year than have paid too much through tax.
And I guess a message I want to make sure that we convey is not everyone's automatically entitled to a refund.
Yeah.
So also don't shop around. Every tax agent should be giving you exactly the same outcome because they should all be applying the law correctly.